Hi guys! Welcome sa Enginerd Math Channel. Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo ang tangent and normal lines. So kung gusto nyo itong matutunan, just keep on watching. Okay, so this time, ay tuturo ko naman sa inyo ang one application of differential calculus, which is finding the equation of normal and tangent lines to the given curve at a specific point. Okay, so actually, ito yung pinaka-definition natin or geometric interpretation natin for derivative, yung slope ng tangent line to the curve at a point. Okay, so naturo ko naman na sa inyo yon sa introduction to derivatives video ko. So, kung hindi pa yung napapanood, isilink ko na lang. So, ngayon, direct to the point na tayo sa paghanap ng equation ng tangent at normal lines. So, meron akong given figure dito, which is itong curve na y equals f of x. So, meron akong specific point na x naught, y naught. So, ito yon. Then, nag-draw ako ng tangent line at that point, which is this one, yung green. At the same time, nag-draw din ako ng normal line. So, pag sinabing normal line, siya naman yung line na perpendicular doon sa tangent line at the same point. So, ito siya yung pula. Okay, so kaya meron tayong 90-degree angle to denote that they are perpendicular lines. Okay, so paano ngayon hanapin yung equation nitong tangent at normal line? So, dito muna tayo sa tangent line. So, alam natin na yung derivative ng isang function at a point is siya yung slope ng tangent line, right? So, kaya, meron tayong formula na slope of tangent line is equal to f prime of x at x naught. Dito sa given point natin. I-evaluate natin yung derivative ng function natin at the given point at x naught. Okay? Then, para makuha natin yung equation ng tangent line, di ba kailangan natin ng slope tsaka point. Using point-slope form, ito yung magiging equation niya. Y minus y naught equals f prime of x naught times x minus x naught. So, same point yung gagamitin natin. X naught, y naught. Okay? Then, para naman makuha yung equation ng normal line, apply natin yung concept ng perpendicular line. So, yung slope ng perpendicular lines ay negative reciprocal of each other. So, since meron tayong formula para sa slope ng tangent line, which is yung first derivative nga nung given curve at the given point, i-negative reciprocal lang natin yon. Sa magiging slope ng normal line is negative 1 over slope ng tangent line or negative 1 over f prime of x naught. Okay? And then, the equation of the normal line will also be using point-slope form. Y minus y naught is equal, this time yung slope niya na is ito, negative 1 over f prime of x naught times quantity x minus x naught. Okay, so madali lang naman siya as long as marunong na kayo mag-derivative at mag-evaluate ng function value at a point, then using this formula, mahanap natin yung equations ng normal at tangent lines. Okay? So, para ma-illustrate natin yung concepts at formula for finding the equations of tangent and normal lines, ay mag-solve tayo ng examples. For the first one, we have, find an equation of the tangent line and normal line to the given curve at the indicated point. Okay, so meron tayong given curve daw, tsaka yung indicated point. So, hanapin natin yung equation ng tangent line at normal line. So, dito muna tayo sa A. So, y is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 5. Tapos, yung point is negative 2, 7. So, sa equation ng tangent line, kailangan natin yung slope. So, hanapin natin yung first derivative or y prime. So, y prime is equal to, power formula lang, differentiate term by term. X squared derivative niya is 2x, negative 4x derivative is negative 4, negative 5 derivative is 0. So, we have y prime is equal to 2x minus 4. Then, evaluate natin ngayon tong y prime at negative 2 kasi siya yung value ng x doon sa given point. So, we have, let's say, equal to sa f prime of x, right? So, f of negative 2 prime is equal to, substitute natin yung negative 2 dito sa given y prime, 2 times negative 2 minus 4. So, we have negative 4 minus 4 or negative 8. Now, using the formula for equation of tangent line, we have y minus y naught is equal to f prime of x naught times x minus x naught. Right? So, substitute natin. So, y minus yung y naught, yung given y coordinate na 7 equal, itong f prime of x naught is itong nakuha nating negative 8 times x minus x naught na negative 2. So, simplify na lang natin. Y minus 7 is equal to negative 8 times x minus negative 2 or x plus 2. So, pwede natin gawin is solve na lang natin yung y explicitly. So, we have y is equal to, transpose ko si negative 7. So, simplify ko muna to. Distribute ko si negative 8. We have negative 8x minus 16, then plus 7. So, y is equal to negative 8x. Negative 16 plus 7 is negative 9. So, therefore, this is the equation of the tangent line. Now, para makuha yung equation ng normal line, gamitin natin yung formula na y minus y naught is equal to negative 1 over f prime of x naught times x minus x naught. Substitute na lang natin yung values. We have y minus y naught is 7 equal negative 1 over f prime of x naught is negative 8 times x minus x naught is negative 2. So, we have y minus 7 is equal to negative of 1 over negative 8 is positive 1 over 8. X minus negative 2 is x plus 2. So, solve ulit natin si y. So, dito na lang, y is equal to, transpose ko si negative 7. Distribute ko tong 1/8. So, magiging 1/8x plus 2 over 1/8 or 1/4. And then itong plus 7. So, we have y is equal to 1/8x plus 1/4 plus 7 is 7 and 1/4 or 29 over 4. So, therefore, this is the equation of the normal line. Okay? Next, let's try to solve letter B. So, the given curve is 1 plus 16x squared y equals tangent of x minus 2y and the point is pi over 4, 0. Okay, so mapapansin nyo, hindi natin pwedeng ma-solve explicitly yung y in terms of x. So, pwede nating hanapin dito yung y prime through implicit differentiation. So, naturo ko naman sa inyo yon yung implicit differentiation. So, hindi nyo pa yung napapanood, isilink ko na lang para ma-check nyo. So, pwede nating i-derivative both sides of the equation. So, pag ginawa natin yon, we have, so mag-differentiate tayo with respect to x kasi dy over dx yung slope natin, right? So, therefore, we have, derivative nitong left muna is, derivative ng 1 is 0 plus 16x squared. So, we have product of two functions, x squared tsaka y. So, product rule, so copy ko muna si x squared. Then, derivative ni y is 1. Then, dahil y yung variable na differentiate natin, dapat meron tayong dy over dx. Then, plus 16 times, copy ko naman si y, derivative ko naman si x squared. Derivative ng x squared is 2x. Okay? Equal, so derivative ni tan of x minus 2y is chain rule. So, derivative ni tan is what? Second squared x minus 2y, then derivative pa nitong inside function na x minus 2y. So, derivative ni x minus 2y is, si x, derivative niya is 1, minus derivative ni 2y is 2, times derivative ni y is 1, times dapat may dy over dx. Okay? So, simplify natin. So, we have ito, 16x squared dy over dx plus, so 16y times 2x is 32xy equal second squared x minus 2y. So, distribute ko itong second squared x ha. So, second squared x minus 2y times 1, then minus 2 second squared x minus 2y dy over dx. So, i-gather ko lahat ng may mga dy over dx dito sa left, tas yung wala sa right. So, transpose. So, 16x squared dy over dx. So, plus 2 second squared x minus 2y dy over dx is equal to second squared x minus 2y then minus 32xy. So, factor out ko itong dy over dx. So, 16x squared plus 2 second squared x minus 2y equal second squared x minus 2y minus 32xy. Divide both sides by 16x squared plus 2 second squared x minus 2y. So, we have cancel. Masasolve na natin si dy over dx as second squared x minus 2y minus 32xy divided by 16x squared plus 2 second squared x minus 2y. So, ito yung parang slope natin, right? Or yung ating f prime of x, right? Now, para makuha natin yung slope, evaluate natin sa given point, yung pi over 4, 0. So, yung x natin is pi over 4. So, f, So, f prime to, f prime of pi over 4, substitute natin. So, second squared, pi over 4, minus, same as dito sa y din na 0. Kasi, implicit differentiation yung ginawa natin. So, meron din tayong variable y sa derivative. 0, 2 times 0 plus minus 32 pi over 4 times 0 over 16 pi over 4 squared plus 2 second squared pi over 4 minus 2 times 0. So, simplify na lang natin. So, second squared of pi over 4 minus 2 times 0 or pi over 4 minus 32 pi over 4 times 0. So, 0 pala siya kasi may naka-times na 0 over 16. So, distribute yung square. So, pi square over 16 plus 2 second squared. So, pi over 4 din to. Okay? So, we have, anong second squared pi over 4? So, pi over 4 is 45 degree, right? And yung second is 1 over cosine. So, 1 over cosine, 45 degree. So, diba yung cosine 45 degree is 1 over square root of 2. So, therefore, pag na-reciprocal mo yon is square root of 2. And then, naka-squared pa kasi second squared, 2. So, therefore, 2 over, so dito, cancel si 16, pi square, then, plus 2 times second squared pi over 4. Yung second squared pi over 4 is 2, then times 2 is 4. Okay? So, therefore, ito yung slope ng tangent line. 2 over pi square plus 4. Now, para makuha yung equation ng tangent line, apply natin yung point slope form of the line. So, we have y minus, yung y natin kanina is 0 equals, etong slope ng tangent line is itong nakuha nating 2 over pi squared plus 4, then times x minus, ano yung x natin kanina? Pi over 4. Okay? Or simply, y is equal to 2 over pi squared plus 4 times x minus pi over 4. So, therefore, this is the equation of the tangent line. Now, para naman dun sa equation ng normal line, i-reciprocal natin tong slope na to para makuha yung slope niya, which is negative pi squared plus 4 over 2. Right? Then, plug in natin sa point slope form ng formula, y minus 0 is equal to negative pi squared plus 4 over 2 times x minus pi over 4. So, same point pa rin. Or simply, y is equal to negative pi squared plus 4 over 2, then x minus pi over 4. So, therefore, this is the equation of the normal line. Okay? Next, we have, find an equation of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to 2x squared plus 3 that is parallel to the line 8x minus y plus 3 equals 0. So, medyo iba to sa typical problem. Kasi meron tayong given condition na dapat yung tangent line daw is parallel dito sa given line na 8x minus y plus 3 equals 0. So, kapag parallel lines, di ba ang concept natin is equal slope? Base dun sa video ko about parallel and perpendicular lines. So, pwede natin makuha yung slope bali nitong given line using yung slope-intercept form. So, pag tinransform natin itong line na to into slope-intercept form, makukuha natin yung m. So, gawin natin. So, 8x minus y plus 3 equals 0. So, transpose ko dito si y. So, 8x plus 3 is equal to y. So, therefore, y equals mx plus b form na siya. Where yung m natin is itong nakamultiply sa x, which is 8. Tapos, yung b is 3. So, ngayon, meron tayong given slope na required dun sa tangent line. Kasi dapat equal siya doon sa parallel line sa kanya na to. Diba? Ngayon, meron tayong formula, diba, na yung y prime is the slope of the tangent line. So, hanapin natin yung derivative. So, y prime is equal to power formula for x plus 0 or simply for x, right? Ngayon, equate natin itong y prime dito sa alam na nating valid dapat ng slope ng tangent line na 8. So, we have 4x is equal to 8. Solve ngayon natin si x. So, divide lang both sides by 4. X is equal to 8 over 4 or 2. So, therefore, ito yung magiging point natin. Kasi wala tayong given point, diba? Ito yung magiging x-coordinate ng point natin. Para makuha naman natin yung y-coordinate, plug in natin dito sa value. Yung y equals to x squared plus 3. Solve natin si y. So, y is equal to 2 times yung x na nakuha natin na 2 squared plus 3. So, y is equal to 2 times 2 squared is 2 times 4 or 8 plus 3. So, y is equal to 11. So, therefore, yung point is 2, 11. Then, meron na tayong nakuhang slope, right? Itong 8. So, through point slope form of the line, makukuha na natin yung equation ng tangent line. So, y minus yung y, 11, equal, yung slope is 8 times x minus yung given x coordinate na 2. So, we have y is equal to transpose c negative 11. So, distribute ko muna tong 8. So, 8x minus 16, then plus 11. So, y is equal to 8x, negative 16 plus 11 is negative 5. So, therefore, this is the required equation of the tangent line. Okay? Next, we have, find an equation of the normal line to the curve y equals x cubed minus 3x that is parallel to the line 2x plus 18y minus 9 equal 0. Okay. So, this time, normal line naman daw yung hanapan natin ng equation. Na this time, parallel din dapat dito sa 2x plus 18y minus 9 equal 0. So, same concept pa rin. So, dahil parallel nga yung required line, doon sa normal line natin, dapat ang slope ng normal line is equal din sa slope nitong given line. So, kuhain natin uli yung slope nitong line, tapos equate natin dito sa slope ng normal line. So, transform natin itong equation ng line into slope-intercept form. So, we have 2x plus 18y minus 9 is equal to 0. So, transpose ko na lang itong 2x saka 9. So, 18y is equal to negative 2x plus 9. Divide both sides by 18. We have y is equal to negative 2x over 18 or negative 19x and plus 9 over 18 is 1 half. So, therefore, y equals mx plus b form na siya where yung m is negative 1 and yung b is 1 half. So, yung slope natin is negative 1, 9. So, therefore, since yung normal line is parallel dito, ang slope din niya dapat is negative 1, 9. Okay? Ngayon, alam natin, yung y prime is the slope ng tangent line. So, derivative natin, 3x squared minus 3. Right? Ngayon, yung normal line, dapat yung slope niya is the negative reciprocal nitong derivative. Right? So, pag negative reciprocal natin ito, we have negative 1 over 3x squared minus 3. Na pwede natin ngayon i-equate dito sa given slope niya na negative 1, 9. Okay? Or, sige, cross-multiply natin. So, cancel na itong mga negative 9 is equal to 3x squared minus 3. So, therefore, transpose ko dito si 3. So, we have 9 plus 3 is equal to 3x squared. We have 9 plus 3 is 12 equals 3x squared. Divide both sides by 3. Cancel. X squared is equal to 12 divided by 3 or 4. Square root both sides. We have plus minus 2 is equal to x. So, meron tayong two values for x. So, we have x is negative 2 and x is 2. So, para masolve natin ngayon si y, plug in natin ngayon dito. So, y is equal to negative 2 muna. Negative 2 cube minus 3 negative 2. Y is equal to negative 2 cube is negative 8. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. So, y is equal to negative 8 plus 6 or negative 2. So, we have negative 2 comma negative 2. Then, for 2 naman, y is equal to 2 cube minus 3 times 2. So, we have y is equal to 2 cube is 8 minus 3 times 2 is 6 or 8 minus 6 or 2. So, we have 2 comma 2. So, meron tayong 2 points. Okay? So, meron tayong dalawang makukuhang normal line. So, yung isa passing this point and then yung isa passing this point. So, we have y minus, ito munang point na to, negative 2 equals, yung slope natin is etong negative 1, 9, right? So, negative 1, 9 times x minus negative 2. So, y plus 2 is equal to negative 1, 9. Distribute ko na x. And ito yung x plus 2, right? So, distribute, magiging negative 2 over 9. And then, transpose ko si 2. Y is equal to negative 1, 9x minus 2 over 9 minus 2. Y is equal to negative 1, 9x. Then, negative 2, 9 minus 2 is what? Negative 2 and 2 nines or negative 20 over 9. So, ito yung isang equation ng normal line. Paano kapag nagpa-pass through naman sa 2, 2? So, same formula. Y minus 2 is equal to negative 1, 9x minus 2 naman. So, y, transpose ko si negative 2 equals, distribute ko si 1, 9, negative 1, 9x, plus 2 over 9, then plus 2. So, we have y is equal to negative 1, 9x, and plus 2, 9 plus 2, or plus 20 over 9. So, therefore, this is another equation of the normal line. Okay? Next, we have, find an equation of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to square root of 4x minus 3 minus 1 that is perpendicular to the line x plus 2y minus 11 equals 0. Okay, so this time, ang required naman is perpendicular yung tangent line dito sa given line. So, kunin muna natin uli yung slope nitong given line. Transform natin into y equals mx plus before. So, 2y is equal to, transpose x sa kasi 11, negative x plus 11. Divide both sides by 2, we have y is equal to negative 1 half x plus 11 over 2. Now, ang concept naman sa perpendicular line is dapat yung slope nila is negative reciprocal ng each other. So, therefore, yung slope ng tangent line ay dapat negative reciprocal nitong slope ng given line. So, by the way, yung slope niya is itong negative 1 half. And negative reciprocal nun is positive 2. So, therefore, ito yung required slope ng tangent line. Ngayon, hanapin uli natin yung y prime para malaman natin yung slope ng tangent line. So, derivative natin tong square root of 4x minus 3 minus 1. So, ito, chain rule. Kasi square root of 4x minus 3 is the same as 4x minus 3 raised to 1 half minus 1. So, chain rule, baba si 1 half, then 4x minus 3, 1 half, bawasan natin ng isa. So, magiging negative 1 half minus 1 half. And then, derivative pa nung loob, yung 4x minus 3 is simply 4 na lang. Then, minus, derivative nitong 1 is 0. So, therefore, ito yung y prime. Or, simplify natin. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then, itong 4x minus raised to negative 1 half, magiging nasa denominator. Square root. Okay, now, equate natin tong y prime na to dito sa 2. Then, solve natin si x. Okay, square natin both sides. Or, cancel muna natin itong 2. So, magiging 1 is equal to 1 over square root of 4x minus 3. Cross multiply dito si 4x minus 3, magiging 4x minus 3 square root equals 1. Then, tsaka natin square both sides, eliminate yung radical symbol, 4x minus 3 is equal to 1 squared or 1. So, transpose si 3, 4x is equal to 1 plus 3, or 4x is equal to 4. Divide both sides by 4, we have x is equal to 4 divided by 4 or 1. So, ito yung x-coordinate natin. Now, para ma-solve si y-coordinate, substitute natin y is equal to 4 times x na 1 minus 3 minus 1. Y is equal to square root of 4 times 1 minus 3 is 4 minus 3 or 1 minus 1. So, y is equal to square root of 1 is 1 minus 1 or 1 minus 1 is 0. So, we have the point 1, 0. So, using the point slope form of a line, we have y minus yung y na 0 is equal to yung slope ng tangent line which is 2. Then, x minus yung x-coordinate na 1. So, we have y is equal to transpose si 2, 2x minus 2. So, therefore, this is the equation of the tangent line. Okay? Okay, so I think that's it for this video, tangent and normal lines. So, sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na to at maraming salamat sa panonood.